Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have our 2013 Tesla Model S here, and we are going to go over the process to install our bumper. So we removed it for replacement of the headlights, actuator, also the fog lights and whatnot. So now we are to the point where we can put our bumper back on. So to start with, we'll bring the bumper up to the vehicle and then be able to start the process of putting it on. So grabbing our bumper, just raise it up. Now we bring this up to the vehicle. We have the bottom piece we want it to go under, and then this sits up over here. We got to get our electric line here. Goes down behind the light here. Just want to have that in there so that we can get access to plug that in. So, gonna look from this side. Bring this bumper up over the light. So that side is kind of hanging on over there. Let's go on this side. We're going to do the same. Where we're going to bring our bumper up to there. We run our and make sure we can get access to this electrical connection. To make that connection in there, which provides all the electrics for your fog lights and those little units there. So now we're going to pick this up. We want it to come over the light. There's a big nub here on the light that this portion of the bumper holds over here, and then we line this up here and it'll press in. Go. And then a bunch of push clips. We go down along the bottom and to put those in there also. Okay, so that screw is tight. It brings the bumper up. Like I said, we lined a bunch of push clips down through here to hold this fender well to the bumper, a bunch on the bottom, and then the biggest thing is we got a couple things we do on the top to finish attaching it to the vehicle. So coming from the top, we have the two 10 millimeters that attach to this bracket here. There's one on this side and one over here. and then being able to tighten those. Right. Okay, so we got those tightened. We're gonna take the, there's some clips in here. These 2 or 3 that stayed in here. We're gonna transfer them back to this so that we can install this all at the same time. All right, we've got all the pieces transferred over to this. And so now we can slide this in here and being able to line up the holes here. There we go. Snap those all into place. There's 2 other clips, one here and one here. Put in there. You can go ahead, put your little cover pieces on here. And then also, like I said, double check that you put all of the push pins, that are the ones that you put them in and then push the center in along the bottom and in your wheel wells. And that's how you replace your front bumper, or the install of your front bumper on your Tesla Model S of a 2013. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.